Welcome to an explanation video about the work done by Empresarios Agrupados for the Sphere project related to the TNO demo pilot building. Sphere is a 4-year Horizon 2020 project that aims to provide a BIM-based digital twin platform to optimize the building lifecycle, reduce costs, and improve energy efficiency in residential buildings. The target of Empresarios Agrupados is to deliver an HVAC and building simulation toolkit under Ecosystem Pro to simulate buildings with the capability to export them to real-time environments such as the control systems, BIM tools, digital platforms, etc. using international standards. Now, let's see what is Ecosystem Pro and the HVAC toolkit. Ecosystem Pro is a powerful mathematical tool for representing industrial systems based on differential algebraic equations and discrete events with an intuitive graphical user interface. The HVAC toolkit is a set of libraries used within Ecosystem Pro. These libraries are made up of components that allow different types of systems to be modeled through their characteristic equations. The HVAC toolkit is made up of the HVAC library for modeling HVAC systems and the buildings library for modeling passive systems within buildings. To generate the digital twin of a building, the simulation engineering team gets all the relevant information related to the building and its HVAC systems and generates the mathematical model using Ecosystem Pro and the HVAC toolkit. Then, the mathematical model is exported as a symbot. For the TNO case, to Excel. The TNO pilot building is composed of 2 floors and has a ventilation dedicated system. Usually, the models are divided in passive building model and HVAC systems model. But, how does it look in Ecosystem Pro? The passive building model replicates all the heat transfer phenomena occurring in the building, whether through conductive, convective, or radiative processes. In addition, it takes into account the effects of solar radiation and the shadows generated by adjacent buildings. Moreover, the effect of air infiltrations through windows and doors can be calculated. The passive building model is composed of external and internal walls, ground, roof, and room volumes. The HVAC systems model is more complex and allows to model moist air mixtures with CO2 traces. HVAC equipment is also modeled by using manufacturer diagrams and characteristic tables and parameters. In this case, for the Flare 400 machine used for ventilation purposes. The HVAC systems model is composed of the Flare machine, the ventilation circuit, radiant floor, and a heat pump. Then, this whole mathematical model is exported to Excel. From a top-level overview, the Excel gets information from a black box that encapsulates the mathematical model of the whole system. This box gets some inputs and generates some outputs. In the TNO case, the inputs are simulation times, set points and equipment working mode and electricity price. As a result of the simulation, the Excel generates a set of output variables, in this case, CO2 concentration, pressure losses, volumetric flows, energy consumption and costs. Thanks for your attention.